to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, I'm here with someone else.
Hi!
Well, this is my friend Lexi. I decided to invite Lexi on my channel. We've known each other for a while.
Yeah.
I thought it would be fun because we have very different styles, that I would give her a complete transformation. So I wanted to do her hair, do her makeup. We're gonna put tanner on her. I'm gonna give her a full fit.
Oof.
And I'm also going to pose her, and we're gonna take some cute pics. We're gonna try to make her look like I'm gonna do, wow. I'm gonna make her get ready as if she was me. So we're basically gonna make her
Transform me
a
into
mini me.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got some tan difference.
Yeah.
First, I think you should just start off with the typical how we met.
We met at a birthday party for mutual friends. We didn't know each other at all, obviously.
No.
This is how we met. But we had heard of each other, I think.
Yeah, I think the mutual friend told us about each other. You
Yeah.
guys would be good friends.
Yeah, and we were like, okay. We were just at a party, just a birthday party. We were what, 14?
I think we were
13?
either 13 or 14.
Not blonde hair when she dyed her hair dark like mine. We looked more like okay. Looked more like because she had dark hair and freckles.
Oh my god, the mailman is dying right now.
I wasn't really close with anyone at that party. I only really went because Maxie told me. Because Maxie told me. Oh god. You did not tell me that you were doing that.
Oh, warning.
I tasted it though. It tastes good.
Right? I told her yesterday to I need to kneel to
Yeah.
talk. I told her yesterday to breathe in the Mario Badescu, and she finally did.
Yeah.
If you go like this, and you
She was like, do that, and I was like, you did not look like that when you were doing it.
what did I look like?
You're like this. You're like, do this. What are your pet peeves? Can you look up a little bit?
My pet peeve is when your baby hairs get in the way of me doing your makeup. Okay, look all the way up. I need to blend this here. Try not to swallow your spit for a minute.
Unpopular opinions.
Frozen was not a good movie.
Let it go!
Well, I don't like country music.
Oh, well, I do.
Are you ready for this?
Oh god, what are you doing?
Boom! I'm highlighting you. He's the right age and look.
Yeah.
You burped into my brush. Radiant. Look at that. Ooh, you gotta get all them angles. So tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm trying to really get in there.
Yeah.
What's your favorite video of mine?
I remember this one part of this one video, your Christmas video, where you're playing rap songs 3 years ago, and then you what's it called?
Wait, I'm really confused.
You
I
whipped
don't remember
on
that.
cue.
I whipped
Yeah,
on
a
camera.
mini whip. It was I can't do it. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, when?
I can pull it up.
A vlog, a Christmas vlog?
The cringe. Wait, watch. This is it. Look.
Sending that link to Rachel real quick. Oh my god.
I was
I hate that so much. Calm down.
See, you're just nodding it.
I can do this.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what lip gloss is. Also break. Ooh, that's good.
Are your parents back?
No. But that's really good. I got a smaller wand. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna sample it on a small section. Look at that.
Oh my god!
The ocean's no place for a squirrel. Wish I was in Texas, prettiest place in the world. Oh no, I guess that deep in my heart I'll always be a Texas girl. I wanna go home.
Bless you. I am about to present to you my masterpiece. I'm gonna cry. She looks beautiful. Come into frame. She can't walk in her heels.
These are like the most painful shoes I've ever worn.
I know, we literally been talking about it for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, you can take them off.
Anyway, other than the shoes,
Yeah.
really good, like 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Surfaces?
Yeah.
I never seen you like this.
I know.
Like all done up.
This is like the first time.
This is so crazy.
I know.
But it looks so good. Okay, you need to do your hair like this more often, like curl it.
I try sometimes. I have baby knees, but like other than that.
Oh, my knees are kind of weird.
Okay. Like 8 straight minutes of me trying to put a shirt on.
Okay, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when her wedding videos up. Seriously, like if I do your wedding, like I want to like vlog me doing your makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation as much as me and Lexi did. If you would want to see more videos like this, like episodes of like me giving other people transformations,
Yeah.
I think that that would be really fun, honestly. Let me know in the comments, give it a thumbs up to let me know that you like this kind of video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified when more videos are up. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.